Make sure you stay until the end, guys. A common mistake, and if not fixed on time, that thing can cost you thousands of dollars in damages and future repairs. Stay with us and we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW, guys. 5 Series generation F10 F11. This specifically, guys, is the 5 Series BMW from year 2010 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, you hear clunking noise coming from the engine transmission when shifting gears from reverse to drive or from drive to reverse to park. Stay with us, guys. We'll explain what can easily cause that, why you need to fix it on time. If not fixed on time, something like that can, guys, lead to really expensive repairs that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us. We will explain all about that in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix anything, transmissions, engines, bodywork. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts too, at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money, guys. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. So let's continue now. What do we guys have here specifically? 2013 BMW 528i that we'll be demonstrating on. So now let's explain quick, guys, okay, what can easily cause that clunking, that noise coming from the engine transmission area when you shift gears. Let's say you go from park to reverse, from reverse to drive, and you hear clunking noises coming, okay? Number one thing that we'll recommend to check is engine mounts and transmission mounts. Now, this 5 Series BMW will have two transmission mounts. These are the transmission mounts. They're pretty simple. It's just rubber bushing holding the transmission in place, but if it fails, what happens, that transmission will start moving, and that can cause clunking, guys, okay? Easily can cause noises. Those are the engine mounts. You have two of them. One on the driver's side, on the bottom right there, one on the passenger side. Now, those mounts are really complicated devices. Why? Because you have the rubber component, okay, but they're hydraulic mounts. They're filled with hydraulic fluid. They have multiple chambers. Why? Because they need to catch those engine vibrations, and he needs to keep the engine fixed in place so it doesn't transfer the engine vibrations and noise to the car body. But when they start failing, they can even crack to where it will allow quite a bit of movement. Like this one here was rubbing practically, guys, okay, on the engine mount bracket. You can see because it's deformed. Check out the space on this side, how big it is, how small it is on this side, and that can easily, guys, lead to actually, guys, when they start cracking, breaking, engine movement, clunking, noise coming from the engine or transmission area when shifting gears. Now, when replacing engine mounts, always replace the transmission mounts too, because let's say you put new engine mounts and they're actually the expensive ones and takes more work to do than transmission mounts. But if the transmission mount failed or it's weak, that will allow the engine to move again, the transmission and engine. As a result, the new mounts will last you a very short amount of time, and you'll need to spend quite a bit of money again to fix that and do the same work. Another thing, that extra movement of the transmission and engine, if they failed, can cause damage to the drive shaft, the flex joint, drive shaft support bearing. It can put stress on X-drive system if you have one. You can see when the engine is moving, it can cause damage to cooling system, pipes, hoses, electrical components. Multiple things can be damaged, guys, that way. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.